Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bike rear air shock in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bike rear air shock to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is CNC Bicycle Air Rear Shock. Specifications. Brand name, Chewy. Use, mountain bikes. Cooperation brand, CNC. Material, aluminum alloy. Travel, 45mm 57mm. Size, 160mm 190mm. Color, black, red. Number 4 is D&M AO38RC Air Shock. Specifications. Brand, D&M. Model, AO38RC. Use, mountain bikes. Type, remote lock, manual lock. Length, 165, 190, 200, 210mm. Travel, 35, 50, 53, 53mm. As the item number 3, we've selected D&M Mountain Bike Rear Air Shock. Specifications. Brand name, America. Model number, AO38RC AO38RL. Material, alloy. Use, mountain bikes. Size, 165mm 190mm 200mm. Number 2 is SRAM ROCKSHOX Monarch RLC3. Specifications. Brand name, SRAM. Model number, Monarch RL. Material, alloy. Use, mountain bikes. Origin, TW origin. On the top of our list at number 1 we have D&M OI36RC. Specifications. Brand name, America. Model number, OI36RC. Material, aluminum alloy. Use, mountain bikes. Size, 165mm. Origin, mainland China.